Hello kids, how are you? Hope you all are fine. And one more thing, that you all have done very good in your test. It was for the first time that without any help you all did, and you all gave your test, and that was very nice. You put on very good effort and you did it very good. Okay, uh, now kids, let's start with our today's class. Let's start with the date. Today's date is 25th 6 2020. 25th 6 2020. Today's day is Thursday. Your subject is English. Today I am going to teach you English, and your topic is worksheet on e-vowel words. Your topic is worksheet on e-vowel words. Now kids, take out this book, integrated activity book. Take out this integrated activity book and open page number 19. Open page number 19. This is your book, page number 19, 1919. E-vowel words. E-vowel words. Now see, there are given 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 hats, and inside each hats are given some pictures. Okay, now let's see what we have to do. We have to match the picture with its name. Match the picture with its name. First one is done for you, like web. Is it a web? See the picture and match with its name. Web, W-E-B, web, W-E-B, web. No, this is not a web. B-E-T, bet, B-E-T, bet. No, this is also not a bet. J-E-T, jet, J-E-T, jet. This is a jet, and just match it with the word. Now see, W-E-T, wet. Is it wet? No. N-E-T, net. Yes, it is a net. N-E-T, net. It is a net. Just match with it. B-E-G, beg. No. M-E-T, met. No. W-E-B, web. W-E-B, web. Match with the web. Men, bet, peg. Men. Match with men. Likewise, do all these. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Do all these 8. Complete all these 8 hats. Now see page number 20. See page number 20. Read the vowels. Read the words given in the balls. Encircle the one that does not belong. Read the words given in the ball. Encircle the one that does not belong. You have to read all the words. Get, web, bet, wed, man, pen, led, wet, fed, set, met, hemp. Just read with me. Beg, peg, bet, get, wet, bev, get, web, bet, wed, men, pen, led, wet, fed, set, met, hemp, beg, peg, bet. Okay, now what you have to do? See, this one is done here. This one is done here. You have to circle the word that does not rhyme with the remaining words. Like see, beg. At the end there is EG. peg, E-G, bet. Here it is T. So this is different. You can see this is different. So circle this word, bet. Now set, met, hem, E-T, E-T, E-M. So it is very easy. You can find which one is different. You can easily find which one is different. Led, wet, fed. Led, wet, fed. इसमें भी आपको पता चल जाएगा कौन सा different है. Just circle that which is different. Before doing this, just put on today's date. Put on today's date, 25/6/2020. I'm writing with a pencil. It might not be visible clearly. 2020 and today's day. Today's day is Thursday. Thursday. Okay. Now see page number 21. See the pictures and write their names in the given space. Children, you all have become intelligent enough. Now you can see the picture and you can write the words. Okay, see, this is a jet. What is the spelling of jet? If someone asks you what is the spelling of jet, then it is J-E-T, jet. J-E-T, jet. This is a cloth and water is coming out from this cloth. It means that ये भीगा हुआ है. What does it mean? It is wet. W-E-T, wet. This is, what is this person doing? He is begging. What is he doing? He is begging. So the word is beg. B-E-G, beg. What is this? This is a spider web. Makri ka jal. Makri ka jal. So here we will write W-E-B, web. Web. Okay. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. T-E-N, ten. L-E-G, leg. H-E-N, hen. E-G-G, egg. Sorry, this is not egg. Sorry, this is circle. Sorry, this is red. This is the color red. This is color red. R-E-D, red. M-E-N, men. M-E-N, men. B-E-D, bed. D-E-N, den. D-E-N, den. Okay. See page number 22. Page number 22. Now you have to fill the missing letter. You have to fill the missing letter to make a correct word. Till now we have studied about the vowels A and E. Till now we have studied about the vowels A and E. Now you have to fill this with the help of, see the picture, and you have to fill this with the help of A and E. This is a jet. The spelling of jet is J-E-T, jet. J-E-T, jet. T. This is a tag. Tag. Here it is coming A. T-A-G, tag. T-A-G, tag. M-E-N, men. M-E-N, men. B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. B-A-T, bat. P-E-T, pet. P-E-T, pet. Okay. Yesterday I was watching the video and I gave you in the test about 5 E vowel words. I have gave you 5 E vowel words. I don't remember the name of the child, but the child was saying PET पेट, PET पेट, and he was, वो इशारा कर रहा था अपने पेट की तरफ. ओके, तो ये हिंदी वाला पेट नहीं है बेटा. दिस इज पेट. ओके, दिस इज पेट. पेट मतलब पालतू जानवर. पेट मतलब पालतू जानवर. PET पेट. ओके. FAN fan. FAN fan. TEN 10. TEN 10. So page number 19, 20 and 21 is your 19, 20, 21 is your classwork, and page number 22 is your homework. Page number 22 is your homework. Okay. Okay, on page number 23, page number 22, 23 and 24. Page number 22, 23 and 24 is your homework. I'm just writing here. This is your homework and homework. Okay. Page number 19, 20 and 21 are your classwork. You have to do it now and send it to me for correction. This is your classwork, and this you have to send in the evening. The homework you have to send in the evening. Now see on page number 23 what is written. Write names according to the vowel A and E. Write names according to the vowel A and E. So you have to do nothing. You have to do nothing. You have to just write जिसमें E vowel है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to write all the E vowels over here. PEG peg. यहाँ E vowel आ रहा है ना, तो यहाँ पे E vowel वाले सारे वर्ड लिख देंगे, और यहाँ पे A vowel आ रहा है तो यहाँ A vowel वाले सारे वर्ड्स हम लिख देंगे. Okay, this you have to do. And then on page number 24, on page number 24, see the pictures and choose the correct phrase for writing. See the picture and choose the correct phrase for writing. So here we have to write. What is this? This is a pen. This is a pen. A red pen. A fat cat. तो यहाँ cat तो है नहीं, तो यहाँ हमने क्या लिखा है? A red pen. A man sat a wet pet. A wet pet. तो यहाँ देखिए, a girl is carrying a cat, that is her pet, and she is wet. पानी दिख रहा है, she is wet. So here we will write a wet pet. Now this is a net. तो net किस में है? A red. और which color? The color of the net is red. तो a red net. A red net. A man beg. A man beg a sad lad. Lad means, I have already told you about that. Lad means boy, and this is not looking like a lad, he is looking like a man. So a man, M-A-N-B-E-G, a man beg. A man beg. And this is a hen. This is a hen. A red mat. Mat तो यहाँ है नहीं. A fat hen. A fat hen. Here you have to write a fat hen. Okay, so kids, Page number 19, 20 and 21 is your classwork, and page number 22, 23 and 24 are your homework. Very easy. Complete it and send it to me for correction.